days, it's hard to imagine that Kandy City ever used to be a major tourist center. Around the lake, the tourists and the handicraft hawkers are both missing.
Behind me, you can see the Temple of the Tooth. It is one of the major attractions in Kandy City. But due to current security situation, not many people visit it anymore. But does it have a major effect on the economy of the city?
The first to feel the impact of the drop in tourist travels are those who are directly dependent on them. Mohan Kahundavatta has been a tourist guide at the Temple of the Tooth for over 15 years.
For the last 1 year, the business is failing, The business is failing. We are like paupers, we don't have money. We come in the morning and go in the evening.
Mohan feels that the present security situation in the country is what's keeping tourists away. He believes that even though many foreigners still want to visit the country, travel agents and insurance issues hold them back.
The main travel agents don't like to promote business to Sri Lanka because the insurance companies there, they don't want to allow because if you are taking your own risk, don't go to Sri Lanka.
In 2001, too, the tourism industry took a major blow with the attack on Bandaranaike Airport and 9/11. But with the ceasefire agreement of February 2002, the industry bounced back. Anura Balsaike, the managing director of Hotel Topaz, is not so optimistic this time around.
Due to the cost of living and then due to various other problems, we cannot see a future. Right now, we are struggling to pay the salaries, and we have about 202 staff. We have not reduced any staff. So now that it has come to a situation where we cannot continue.
Dave Inet from Holland is on his 25th visit to Sri Lanka. Even though he is not deterred by security concerns, he has seen many others drop away.
In the past, amateur leaders. So in the past, I always came with a group for 25, 30 people, and now some groups of 6 people, 9 people. So it's not good, eh? And most of the other tour operators, they cancel it totally.
To increase the tourist safety, the Tourist Board and Sri Lanka Police recently established the Tourist Police.
There are branches in various police divisions who work for the tourists. Now we want to transform those to more tourist friendly.
But many believes that nothing will get better until the security situation in the entire country improves.
As a collective body, we are taking a lot of measures and trying our best to solve, at least to face this situation. But it's very unfortunate that, I don't know, we got to realize that, the war is not the answer to this. And then we need some peace to this country if we have to live in harmony.